First, you need to start doing a magic circle, and then you twist, insert your hook on this side of the yarn and pull through the hole. Now remove your fingers of the hole, and this is your magic circle. You can pull and it will make it smaller, and you can pull back to make it bigger. Now we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna do a double crochet. So for doing the double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook inside the magic circle, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now to create a cluster, we need to do another double crochet. So for that, yarn over, insert your hook on the magic circle, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now this combination of the chain 3 that it counts as a double crochet plus the 2 double crochet, it creates a cluster. Now you're gonna be chaining 2 to create a corner, and inside of the magic circle you're gonna be doing 3 double crochet. Then you're gonna chain 2 doing like that. Also repeat this step 3 times. Let's do it. So yarn over, insert your hook on the magic circle, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you do another 2 double crochets. I'm just gonna tighten the magic circle a little bit so it's easier to handle it. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, one more. Now you're gonna chain 2 to create your next corner. In total, we want to create 4 corners in total, so it creates a square. Now you're gonna do another 3 double crochets inside the magic circle. One more. Now another chain 2, and you're gonna do your last cluster that is gonna be another 3 double crochet inside the magic circle. So 1, 2, and 3. And now you're gonna chain 2, and on the, so here remember that you did chain 3 chains, so 1, 2, and 3. So in this chain 3 you're gonna insert your hook, pull up a loop, and do a slip stitch. So this loop you gotta pass it through this one, just like this. And now you pull your thread here, your yarn, to close the circle here in the middle, and there you got it. This is the beginning of your granny square. Now for creating the next row, you're gonna slip stitch on this stitch, on this one, and on the last one. So for slip stitch, you insert your hook on the V that you see here, you pull up a loop, and then you pull through 1. Now again, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and pull through 1. And now on this one, the same thing. Insert your hook on the chain space, pull up a loop, and pull through 1. Now here you're gonna be chaining 3, 1, 2, 3. That is gonna count as a double crochet. And now you're gonna do 3 double crochets. So in total 3, 2 double crochet more. 1 and 2. Now to start making the granny square bigger, what we need to do is create an increase on all the corners. So we're gonna create an increase here, 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 and here. So for doing the increase, you just need to chain 2 and do 3 double crochet on the same chain space. So here you got your increased corner. Now, without doing any chain, we're gonna move to the next space, and we're gonna create another 3 double crochets. So this is 1, 2, 3. And now for doing an increase, you just chain 2 and create another 3 double crochet on the same chain space. So you're just gonna be doing this step for the next 2 corners. Now same, here you don't do any chain and you jump directly to this space, and you're gonna create 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets on the same space. And now we're gonna do the same thing on the last chain space of this row. Chain 2 and another 3 double crochets. Look at this yarn, by the way, it's super cute. I love sparkles, anything that goes with sparkles. Now to close your row here, you're gonna count on through your chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and on this chain 3 you're gonna insert your hook, you're gonna pull up a loop, and you're gonna slip stitch, so pull through 1. Now you see your granny square had increased, and now you're gonna start repeating the same and the same. So like right now we're gonna be doing slip stitch here, slip stitch here, and slip stitch on the chain space, and we're gonna chain 3 again. So slip stitch here, slip stitch on the next stitch, pull through 1, slip stitch on the chain space, pull through 1, and now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this one always will count as the first double crochet. So right now you're just gonna be doing 2 double crochets, so 1 and 2, chain 2. So every time that you want to go on the corners, you gotta increase to 2 clusters. So 1 clusters, remember, 1 clusters is like a combination of 3 double crochets. So now you're gonna chain 2 and insert your hook again and crochet 3 double crochets. So in each corner your total will be 3 double crochets plus 3 double crochets, so in total 6 double crochets plus a chain 2 in the middle. Now here on the middle ones, that this one you're not gonna be doing any increase, so here just gonna be, without doing any chain, you're gonna create 1 cluster, so 3 double crochets, that's it. 1, 2, 3. Now without doing any chain between the middle, like from here to here, you're just gonna do 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and as you know, you chain 2 and another 3 double crochets on the same chain space. Now here on the middle, remember this is not a corner, so here we're only gonna be making 3 double crochets. Now we got to the next corner, so here is gonna be 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. I'm gonna do this part fast, and I'll meet you here on the last space. So we are here already on the last space of the row, and we're gonna do 3 double crochets, and here same as the last row, you count 3 chains, so 1, 2, 3, and on the third one you insert your hook here and pull up a loop and do a slip stitch, so you just pull through 1. Okay, so this one will be the final result of how to crochet the granny square. So for finishing, you're just gonna be inserting your hook on the next one, slip stitch, insert your hook on the next stitch and do another slip stitch, and insert your hook on the chain space and do a slip stitch, and then chain 1, pull through, cut your yarn. And if you want more tutorials like these ones that are simple and easy, you can hit the follow button. Okay, thank you. Mwah, mwah.